Hello, I'm Dan. Welcome back to another episode of Factorio. So, I got this kind of figured out. I didn't actually have to spread it out any. I'm going to bring the lubricant in like this. We need to actually connect up the lubricant. I actually did a walk around and check out all the spots where we're getting attacked from to make sure that it's not really a big deal. Alright, so we need to bring our lubricant the rest of the way here. And some of this we may have to rework at some point if we have to expand any of this out. But for the moment, it's not really in the way. So, let's see here. There doesn't really seem to be a whole... well, we might as... No, there doesn't really seem to be a whole lot of point to connect it up like that. So let's do this. And then we're going to bring it down to like here. That's fine. And we're going to bring that to like there. And then that'll connect up. So now these things will have a lubricant. We now need to get these out of here, which is going to be a little bit of a problem. I was just thinking. Because we are going to run out of power. Okay, so what can we do about that? Well, we're going to be onto a belt that's right here, but this will work. So there and there, that should work. All right, so these are going to get belted, kind of. These are going to make our, where are they at here? Flying robot frames. And it's going to be like, it's one per, basically. And, one per, 2 batteries, 3 electric circuits, 1 steel. Batteries, electric circuits, and steel are all belted. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to bring them up this way. Yeah, we're going to bring them up this way. And we're actually just going to use the electronic circuits that are already here. What's the manufacture time on this? 20 seconds. So we're making 4 at the moment, which means we can make 4 of these other ones. We're probably going to have to put steel and batteries onto the same belt. Yeah, we're going to put steel and batteries onto the same belt. We're going to leave the electronic circuits where they are. And we're actually going to do something a little tricky here with these guys. I'm not going to even load balance them because I don't think it's necessary. Well, it might be necessary. If we have space, I will load balance them. Okay, so what we need to do... And I think this can grab off of that guy. So if I do, we want to do, I don't know what the longest this can go is. So the longest it can go is like here. Yeah, 1 down from where we're currently at. So we need to go like this, down to here. And then we're going to connect... Whoops. We're going to connect this up. Why don't you... There we go. Oh. There we go. Okay, so we're going to connect that up. This is going to come up to here. Okay, how do we load balance this guy? So we need to go like this. And then... here, and that, and then this guy can come around and go this way. That'll work. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Alright. So we're just going to bring this like the whole way up to here. Roughly. What's the lowest thing that we are busing here? I think that's the electronic circuit, so we can actually probably come up to like here, maybe. Okay. Now we need to leave space. We need one of these guys, I think. What do these get manufactured in? They need 4 things. This can do 4 ingredients. Excellent. We need some iron. We're going to have to increase our steel production here soon. Let's grab 3. We should probably grab enough to make 4. There we go. That should do it. Okay, so these guys are going to go roughly here. And I think what we'll do is we'll go 2 and 1 gap. No, we're going to put them as close together as we can so that we can fit. Actually, we're going to do... Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, so these need to grab from here, like so. We're going to need long-handed inserters, grabbing from here. And then we're going to need 1, 2, 2, and 2. So this is where I was concerned, and probably rightly so. I think we're going to have to actually space these out a little bit. But I think we'll be fine. 1, 2. Just thinking about trying to get power in here, mostly. So here, here, and then here and here, like so. Okay, that'll work. So now we need to get batteries and, what was it? Batteries and steel, I think? Batteries and steel onto the same belt, which means we actually have to bring our batteries through. And they're going to be like way back here. So we've got a long ways to bring these. Let's start by putting down our underground belts. There we go. Shouldn't be too terribly bad. I mean, these things are a little bit expensive, but at this point it doesn't really matter. Okay, now we just need to connect all of this back up. At some point, we should go back through and upgrade all of the rest of our belts to these fast lines. I think we're going to run out of belts here. Oh, no, we've got some more. And And this will go like that. And now we are connected up. That's going to put a big strain on some of our resources there while it makes batteries to catch up with this. But it should catch up eventually. We're using batteries, but we're not using a ton of batteries. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to come over one more here. Or maybe two. And then we'll put our splitter here. And then this is going to just come down. And now we're out of belts. Okay, so now we just need to go get a couple more belts. Cannot wait to get our robot network up and running. So that we can set it up to tell it to keep us with 50 belts at all times. Okay, so this is going to come down like this, and we want to put these onto here. So this is going to go like that. Okay, now we need to get our steel. So, let's see here. We need to bring the steel down right about there, I think. That's right. And so is that. Excellent. There we go. That's steel onto the same belt. All right, last but not least, we have to output these. Onto a belt. So, okay, these go into making our robots. Which we can probably just make right around here. I don't think we actually... Okay, so what goes into making... It's just electric circuits and advanced circuits. Electric circuits are fine. We're not busing advanced circuits. Maybe we will produce advanced circuits somewhere in here. Yeah. Wow, okay, so these are just... We're going to bust these, if only temporarily. It's not going to be a major busing operation here. It's probably actually just going to only come up to like here and just go over to wherever they're needed. We'll have to squeeze in like a load balancer, maybe right here. Like so. All right, and I think if we, you know, get attacked again. No, I think if we put this guy here, put that guy there. If we put this guy here, actually, there, that'll power everything. Okay, so the next step is robot frames. So shift right click, shift left click. There we go, and now we should be making robot frames. Excellent. We are one step closer to our robot overlords. Excellent. That's good. We should take and put... We've got all of these electronic circuits and stuff in our inventory. We should probably do something with them at some point here. Probably, at least. I'm thinking, and we aren't currently busing advanced circuits. We're actually, every time we're producing advanced circuits, we're producing them locally. which actually I don't think is a terrible idea. It just makes it take up a ton more space, and we are actually actively running out of space now. Um, I really want to get these construction robots made. Um, so maybe, I'm thinking actually, maybe we're going to do something temporary here to produce construction robots. So that we can use our construction robots to I swear I can speak. So we can use our construction robots to build our expansion that we're going to need to make more room. Okay, so we're going to put this guy like here, I guess. And then we'll bring this guy into here. Like so. There we go. And this will just be this. And then this. Maybe just that. And then this will just go right here. This is temporary. This is not how we're going to do this in the final product. You're going to make construction robots. Like a lot of construction robots. Let's just shove all of those into there. And actually, we should have some robot frames here we can just put in here like this. And that should take care of it. And that'll get us some construction robots going. I guess the next step is we're going to need to figure out what we're doing here. I'm going to guess we're probably going to go down this way. Let's do a little bit of exploring here to see what's in the way down here. Oop. Game has lagged out on me just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so it's not... There's a lot of water. Yeah, there's a ton of water. We could probably... we could probably just, like, fence in a large area here. And then, like, bring our bus down along here. My fear is that where here is, there is not enough room. Maybe... So it's like right along with these pipes. Unfortunately, that's not actually enough room. We could turn our bus down this way. And then when we get down past this water here, which is probably right about here, we could bring it back and then work down off of here like that. It's going to be a big project to... it's going to be a pretty big project to absorb all of that, all of this space with our walls. Let's put some stuff back here. We should have a turret as well. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty big project. I think we can manage, though. Okay, so let's grab these robots. Let's go grab a robot port. I've never actually done this. I've only ever seen other people do this. Let's grab 5 of these. We don't need all 5, but... Okay, and we have a chest. I don't know whether we need a provider chest or not. I'm going to make a provider chest, and I'm going to make a storage chest. And then let's see here. There should be, okay, so deconstruction planner, and gonna make a blueprint. Put the deconstruction planner down on our hotbar here. Let's actually do some research too. We should do, let's do the power armor research. Since we haven't been doing much research here lately, let's get that going, and then let's head up here to where we know we've got some spots where we can remove some turrets. All right, now let's grab a roboport. Okay, that's gonna, and we're gonna put it like right, put it like right here. Okay. You're going to need robots. And then you're going to need a... I think we just need a storage chest. Now, if we do this... Excellent. That works. Great. Okay, so now we've got a plan here. So we can actually just do this, and then like this. But it does cause a little bit of a problem. We kind of unhooked our power. There we go. We unhooked power a couple places. Oh, whoops. There we go. All right, so we can use this guy to just like snag all of this stuff. Okay. The goal is to try and not grab the power lines. Excellent. Then is this in range? Can we get this stuff? Looks like it. That's in range. What is the alert that's happening over here? I have no idea. Alert. 7 objects missing are missing. Repair packs. Oh. Yeah, okay. We can kind of ignore that, I think. Interesting. Okay, so this works pretty well. Let's actually pick this up. We'll pick that up. Ended up with a whole bunch of walls there. Let's go around and see about removing our redundant walls. Do we have redundant walls here? We have a little bit of redundant wall. Not a ton. Let's get some stuff off of our hotbars. Hotbar here. We want the roboports. We want the robots, and we want the storage chest. There we go. Okay, so roboport, storage chest, robots. And we want to do this without hopefully grabbing the power lines. Go, robots! Excellent. This is totally awesome. This is going to make doing things a lot more easy as far as building goes. Working around these corners is not going to necessarily be the easiest, but alright, that should do it. Excellent. Lots of redundant power lines here, but you know, we can deal with that later if we even need to. We probably don't necessarily need to. I think there's some redundant wall up here we can take care of, which we do want to take care of because we're going to need these supplies to take care of, you know, everything, our expansion projects, which we will be able to start on soon here, I would think. Okay, so let's do that. Maybe next episode we will start on our expansion. Let's grab this guy. All right, so now we want to get rid of like this. Through there, I think, and then through here and like there. I'm gonna guess we forgot to put the robots in here. Where are the robots? Engine units? I'm not seeing the robots. Where are... Did I put them in the... Oh, I put them in the chest. I'm done. Go, robots, go! It's pretty great. I think the only, like, the biggest thing here is going to be... you know, once we get a system up and running, will be them putting stuff back in the wrong chest. There we go. Our robots aren't, like, taking damage, are they? Maybe they are. I don't know. Maybe they're trying to... They want to repair, like, walls or something. I'm not really sure how that works. So I think what we're gonna do here, and this will probably be next time. Oh, there's like a random piece of copper on there. Super weird. Where did we mess this up that we're only getting copper? There we go. Not copper, coal. Anyways, we're at the end of the episode. Between now and next time, I'm going to kind of sort out my inventory and gather supplies for building our base bigger. And we're going to work on that. I've got a couple spots. Let's pull up the map here that I want to... I'm going to get rid of our inventory. I got a couple spots here that I want to expand on. I want to take this wall, instead of coming down like this, I want to go straight across. It's going to put us closer because I think these are aliens, but that'll give us more room for solar panels as we need it. And then I think down in this area, I think what we're going to do is we're going to come down, way down here. We're basically going to bring this wall down and then over so that we can use like this whole area and probably further this way as a way to expand our main bus. The other thing we could do and this is like a real big but, is we could move all of these solar panels and expand our stuff on going out this way and just move all of these solar panels um, like down here. The only problem is that where we're producing our electronic circuits is here. So their bus only starts here. We could try and move them back in somewhere back in here. But for the moment, I'm just going to get some supplies together, and then we're going to work on expanding out our, well, everything. So, if you liked the video, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more Factorio. Thanks for watching. Bye.